Congratulations, you started to unpack your THMB beer. This set is for a 24 can setup, but the number of pieces may vary. Generally speaking, you will have wall clips and screws, bottom supports, and main can holders. Just unwrap everything and lay it all flat. Like I said, this is a 24 setup, but I only have 12 cans here, so I'll just set it up as if it's a 12 can setup. You can cut it or unwrap it, whatever is easier. Then you arrange the set. So to assemble it, just do the zigzag pattern, staggered pattern. You'll hear it kind of ratchet together as it grips on itself. And then you'll have the 3 and 3 to connect these and to support the bottom feet. Like I said, for 12 cans, you'll get 2 clips, and you'll also see there's other holes within this in case you need more support. But it's always advised to do the clips, place the clips here, pick this up, place it on the wall wherever you're going to hang it, have someone help you line up these brackets. Once the brackets are screwed into the wall, you'll be able to just push up on this and lift this off and bring it back to your table. Back at your table, you'll get your cans. Vintage cans come in both steel top and bottom, as well as steel top and aluminum. This is probably all aluminum, but the similar dimensions. If you have other dimensions, it may not fit. There is some slight variations that I'm working on, but these will hold the generic flat tops. So just load this. Lining up the image that you want on the front, snapping in the bottom. If you're having any tension on the bottom here or on any of the rows, you can lift it gently and just put some pressure in the middle of the back to open up the bottom. And that helps sometimes if it's too snug. But the thing you really have to be careful of is at the top, to make sure that the top is seating all the way into the slot. Okay, once you have all your cans loaded up, return it to the wall where you have your clips hanging, and you should be able to line it up and just slot it onto those 2 clips. In the case of a 24 pack, 4 clips, and there you'll have it. Congratulations.